Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna to teach you how to on off your tap sound on your Realme mobile. Before you continue this video, please share and subscribe, and let's start the video. First of all, you have to go here from this setting and then roll here sound and vibration, then roll it, then additional settings, and here tap sound. You should on this tap and off it, the tap. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video.